Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But overall, a very impressive movement. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that just on Wednesday, the price was all the way down here, and now the price has battled back up to where it has. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's still work that needs to be done, but point here being, relative to where the price was just on Wednesday, good solid movement, but that does bring about the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 19 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying this was going to actually happen, but for explanation's sake, let's say the price comes down to 19, behaves like that, and then continues on down. What would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range where it just was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But to be fair, no price can just go straight up. So maybe the price does come down here, behaves in that manner, then start to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair-steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote-unquote, progress being defined as 19 cents. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, key area of resistance now to watch moving forward, you're going to be right up there at the 21.5 cent mark. So if this upwards move does continue to grind higher and higher, 21.5 cents, now public enemy number one from the resistance side of things. But all in all, any angle you look at it, very nice bounce today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.